Hello folks, let me introduce to you one of my projects. It's what I call an Urban Tactical Warrior 1 based on the Warrior 1 Airsoft rifle. It is an L96 replica. The barrel is shortened both inner and outer so that I can place a working suppressor, and it is going to be compact for CQB type or medium range sniping games, sniper role or DMR role. And I modified the magwell so that you can place a spare dummy mag, and to make it useful you can have a spare magazine for it. I topped it with a Tasco 40 by 14 power scope with the sunshade and lens caps. And I haven't clocked this yet, so we're not sure of the power, but we'll check with an informal accuracy check later in another video. So I hope you enjoy. That's my Urban Tactical Warrior 1.